manageable steps, it becomes a straightforward and rewarding process. So let's get started. First, it's crucial to define the goal of your funnel. Think about what you want to achieve. Do you aim to sell a product or service, promote a course or membership, book calls or consultations, or perhaps grow your audience through a lead magnet? Getting clear on your funnel's purpose will determine its structure and strategy. Whether you're aiming for sales or audience growth, clarity at this stage sets the foundation for everything that follows. Next, you need to create a lead magnet. This is an essential step that involves choosing a free resource that will attract your ideal audience. Think about offering a PDF guide, a checklist, a mini course, or maybe even a free trial. Once you've decided on your lead magnet, upload it to Convertkit. You'll navigate to the Grow section, select landing pages and forms, and create a new one. You'll want to customize the form or landing page, ensuring it's connected to your lead magnet download so it seamlessly integrates with your funnel. Now, on to setting up a welcome email sequence. Head over to the Send section, select Sequences, and then choose New Sequence. This is where you'll craft a series of nurturing emails for your subscribers. The first email should welcome them and deliver your lead magnet. Then, follow up with value-driven content. Share useful tips, personal stories, or material that asserts your authority. Encourage engagement by asking questions or sharing additional resources. Introduce your product or service naturally in the soft pitch email, and if necessary, add a hard pitch to promote your offer with urgency or bonuses. Once your welcome sequence is ready, let's move on to automating the funnel. In the Automate section, select Visual Automations and begin a new automation. Set up a trigger such as when a subscriber signs up through a specific form. Define actions like subscribing them to your welcome sequence. For enhanced functionality, utilize tags or conditional logic to segment your audience based on their behaviors, such as clicking a link or making a purchase. If your goal is sales, incorporating a sales or conversion email sequence is vital. This sequence should include social proof like testimonials or case studies, focus on benefit-driven messaging, and have a clear call to action, encouraging them to buy, enroll, or schedule. Timing these emails strategically after your nurture sequence can significantly boost conversions. Finally, track and optimize your funnel using Convertkit's analytics. Pay close attention to your open rates, click-throughs, and conversion metrics. Testing aspects like subject lines, email lengths, and CTA placements will allow you to refine and optimize your funnel for the best performance possible. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building an effective email marketing funnel that not only engages your audience but also achieves your desired goals. Remember, the key is to continually test, optimize, and adapt to what works best for your audience. Good luck and enjoy the process.